Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to make pot roast. Okay, I'm going to put a small amount of grease just to cover the bottom here, and we're going to fry it for a little bit. And you want the grease really hot because you're going to fry it fast. Okay, I'm going to salt it on both sides. Then I'm going to flour it on both sides. Make sure you get it all over it. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put it in the hot oil. And leave the fire up. We want it to brown real fast on both sides. I had the oil heated good on high. I've got the meat in there. We're going to fry it on both sides. Meanwhile, I got the water heating over here with a teaspoon of salt in it. 2 cups of water. Okay, let's see if it's brown enough. Yeah, I think it is. Do the other side. Check it and see. You got to kind of stand here with it because it doesn't take very long. Just about ready. If I can get it in here without burning myself. Okay, I'm going to turn it all the way down. So you just barely got a flame there. And put a lid on it. It's going to cook to start with at least 2 hours, and I'll be checking it every once in a while to make sure it ain't sticking. Okay, it's been 2 hours. Let's see, it's tendering up pretty good. I'll put the carrots in about 30 minutes. Okay, we've been cooking it for about 2 hours and 45 minutes. I'm going to put the carrots in. Let them cook a while. And I'll do potatoes and onions. Okay, I'm going to put the potatoes and onion in. It's a large onion that I've cut in small or large pieces. And all the potatoes are in large pieces too. Yeah, I have the fire still on real low. I'll put a little bit more salt on the potatoes. Put some pepper. I'm just going to keep cooking it till the potatoes and carrots get tender. Put all the potatoes and onion in there. I'm going to probably cook it like 45 minutes longer. It's been about an hour since I put the potatoes in. So the whole thing has took like 3 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, potatoes are tender. And the meat's really tender. And the carrots, everything's ready. Wait, we've got to flour it. You want me to flour first and then do the grease? All right, start over. Okay, it's getting tender. It's